Hi all, are you facing difficulties with language English when you're attending ACCA exams? If yes, this video is going to help you on that. There is a wonderful online course which is actually free of cost, designed by ACCA itself in partnership with BPP. So in this video, I'll help you guys on how to access on that free online course. So let's go to the ACCA website. This is the homepage of ACCA website, accaglobal.com. Go to the tab named Students. There is Study Support Resources. Click on that, Study Support Resources. It's getting loaded. So there are a lot of study support resources given by the ACCA. There are three major qualifications with ACCA. The ACCA qualification itself, foundation level, that is FIA, and diploma in IFRS. We are looking at only on ACCA qualification. So you click on the ACCA qualification, you will get the whole paper list. Accountant in business, management accountant, financial accounting, the whole paper is listed here. Take any paper. I'm going with performance management. You can take any paper, okay? So these are the list of exam resources for the performance management, okay? When you're looking down, look at this. These are the exam resources, and in the end you can see some learning and revision resources. In my next video, I'm going to explain each of these items, what all are introduction to the paper, how we can use examining team's guidance, study support, everything. For this video, I'm only focusing on this English language support. You can see this, right? English language support here. Yeah. So click on this. You will be get navigated to a page like this, English language support. So what all things are included in this course? You'll get free flexible online support at any time. You can access with any devices. This will help you to learn the English language skills you need for every stage of your ACCA journey, whether you are in the fundamental level or skills level or statistical professional level. In any level, it is going to help you guys. This is going to help you on to become more attractive to employers by learning professional business English. So these are the list of each papers and how this course is going to help you on that. When you're looking at this AB, accounting business, this course help you on writing simple sentences, writing present tenses, reading notes from reading, listening, improve your listening skills and all. When you go to the end of this page, you can see for the help how this course is going to help you on strategic professional module also. Okay, so you can at the end you can see get access now using this link, BPP University English Language Support for ACCA Student. You can access to this page. Okay, welcome to BPP University English Language Support for ACCA. Here you need to click this Start Your Free Learning Units. Click on this. Once you click, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, there are two options in this page. Either you can log in if at all you are an already registered student with a BPP, or you need to register. The registration is very easy process. Just you need to give your first name, surname, your email ID, your telephone number, and the password. Create a password. Boom, you are ready to register. Register with PPP, and after the registration process complete, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see on the timeline, welcome and your applications. In your applications, we are enrolled for the English for ACCA. Using this link, we will get access to the English for ACCA. I clicked on that. There are several terms and conditions. The two things are you have to give your ACCA register number, and you have to read the terms and conditions of BPP, and you should agree that terms and conditions. In this terms and condition page, you have to provide with two details. First one is you have to insert your ACCA institution number. That means your ACCA registration number. Each ACCA registered students will be having their unique registration number that has to be provided here. Then you have to thoroughly read the terms and conditions of this module, and you need to agree that. After doing these two, you will be again redirected to this page, your home page of this BPP learning platform. You need to reload this once, and again in my application now, when you click on this view, it will be redirected to this page where all the modules you can see in this page. The modules are welcome to this English for ACCA. If you are doing accountant and business paper, you can start with this module, or else you already completed all these papers, you are at financial reporting, you can start with financial reporting. Whatever module for the entire ACCA paper, you are getting this. So remember guys, this is a wonderful platform to learn the English, not the entire English language, but the English what we record for our business industry. So good luck guys, study this, use your this idle time more productively. Good luck.